Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be planning the month of January 2024 in my Hobonichi Weeks. I am going to be using this monthly kit from Black Mountain Plans. I do PR for her, so make sure you use code AmyB20 to get 20% off your order plus receive my freebie. So let's go ahead and and set this up. So we're gonna start here at the bottom. This is also kit number 53. So this is her Happy New Year's kit. And she did just start selling the, she did just start making and selling the Weeks kits. So that's very fun. Not much really so far happening this month. So there's really not much to put down, but I do want to just decorate it just in case stuff comes up. And then I have it ready to go. So there we go. So I've been kind of thinking about how I want to use this monthly, and I think I'm going to use it as a almost like a tracker. I don't actually, do I want that there? No, I don't. A tracker as in, like, I don't know how to kind of explain it, but like a bill tracker and then expense tracker. So you might only see a setup of this monthly planner, but I don't think you'll see much after that. Because I don't know, because this is going to be my on-the-go planner, and I just feel like I should do something like that. All right. Now, brown cow. We are going to put this guy. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't even show you guys the kit. It is a 2-page kit. So you have this page with, it has a bunch of functionals, and then you have this page. I am going to, on Sunday the 7th, I'm gonna just kind of cut that in half almost. This is my husband's and I's anniversary, so I'm putting the 2 little champagne flutes down. I am sorry, I did not bring over my light, but it is right here, so I'm gonna bring it over. And then I'm just gonna lay, hold on. So I'm gonna move this planner to the side here for a second. So we're gonna just almost, there we go, do that in half. Sorry you guys, it's not really a big science, but definitely takes a minute to do. I've done this in the past where I've taken the full box that I like, and then and just kind of done it like so. I've never done it in this planner. Again, this is my first time really having the weeks planner. So there we go. But we do, it's our anniversary here, but we're also going to dinner, and my daughter is staying with her grandparents for a couple hours. So we're gonna throw her January down there, because I did kind of figure that out, that I liked it to there, and then we're gonna put 2024 to kind of cover the black up. Right, and we are gonna lay down these date dots. And then I will definitely keep these sheets because they do have the functionals on them. But there's only, like I said, a few things that need to be put down appointment-wise so far. And my husband doesn't know when he is traveling or if he is traveling, so once he figures that out, that will also help. And I will put that down here because that normally I have to take him to the airport and stuff, so definitely just want to make sure that I write it all down. Plus, this is, like I said, the on-the-go planner, and this is if somebody calls me and they're like, hey, you know, let's make an appointment, you know, so-and-so, like if my daughter or I or my husband and I have an appointment together or whatnot, then I can, or we have functions rather, I can go ahead and write them down in here because then I'm like on the go and then I have it, and then when I get home I can look at my catch-all planner and say, okay, well, you know, maybe there's something I need to move around, or there's something else that needs to be done that day, or just little things like that. So these monthlies might not actually be too full either. So we're gonna see how it goes for the year of 2024. We will see if I even stick with it. I'm thinking I will, because I think also that this planner might be just my decorative planner, where if there's not so many, but if we don't have like a busy week, or we really aren't doing anything, or we're sick or something, then I'll decorate for the week, but I'm just gonna put down like on the days, kind of like journaling. I'm definitely doing that for the week of Christmas because we are gonna be with family and on vacation, and who really wants to plan too much with that. Plus my mom, my aunts, and my grandma are all planning that, really. I don't really have anything to do with that. They just tell me where to be, when to be there, and for how long. That works for me. That makes my life easier. Especially with a 2-year-old, I'm like, eh. I keep her pretty well busy other times, so definitely on vacation, I'm just, if it's with family, I'm like, you guys decide. I don't really care. Now, if it's the 3 of us, so my husband, my daughter, and I, we went to Asheville in July of 2023, and we definitely planned out what we were doing and when we were doing it, because that was for the 3 of us, and it just made me happy because then I knew where I needed to be and stuff. Okay, so, and the only other thing I'm putting down right now, or the thing I'm putting down, is just a payday on in because I track payday. Like in this planner, I'm gonna track payday, and then I track payday in my catch-all that stays home. And then we have, so on the 3rd, the 3rd, we have a hair appointment at 4. So my daughter and I are going to get our hair did on the 3rd. And then there is 2 things going on the 8th. So my husband goes back to work. And then our daughter has an appointment at 9. So we do have those. And here. And then I'm going to put our anniversary on the 7th. And Ophelia with G-Parents for a few hours. And then I am going to put one more thing. So my dad passed in 2022 of January, and it is just a really hard day for me, but I like to just kind of keep track of it because I am doing a project for my daughter, or I'm going to start doing a project for my daughter where I'm going to set up her, since she'll be 2 in, or she'll be 3 in June, and I wanted to start it before, I just never did. I want to start up an email for her, and then I want to write her little stories about her grandfather and what he meant to me. So that is what I'm going to be doing. That was a quick little plan with me. So I hope you liked it. This is again the Hobonichi Weeks. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. So I do hope you will comment down below. Are you using a kit for January, or do you use something, or do you do something different? And I hope you give this a like and subscribe, and then hit the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in the next one. All right, bye.